Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car to CarMax. First, visit the CarMax website to get an instant online offer for your vehicle. You'll need to provide accurate details like your car's vehicle identification number and current mileage. This initial offer is typically valid for 7 days, giving you a full week to decide. It's a quick and convenient way to start the selling process right from your home, saving you time later on. Before heading to CarMax, gather all essential documents. This includes your car's title, or, if you have a loan, your loan payoff information. It's also a great idea to thoroughly clean your vehicle, both inside and out, to make a good impression. Don't forget to remove all personal items from the car, ensuring nothing important is left behind before your appointment. Next, schedule an in-person appraisal at your nearest CarMax location. During your visit, a friendly CarMax associate will conduct a detailed inspection of your vehicle. They will verify the information you provided online and confirm the condition of your car. This step ensures the online offer accurately reflects your vehicle's current state, leading to a fair and transparent valuation. Once the appraisal is complete, you'll receive a final offer. If you're happy with the price, you can accept it on the spot. You'll then sign the necessary paperwork to officially transfer ownership of your vehicle. CarMax will provide you with a bank draft, which you can easily cash or deposit into your account, completing the sale quickly and efficiently, often in under an hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.